What is going on, everybody? Back for another video. This video I'm going to show you how to multiply matrices using the MMULT function in Google Sheets. So here's the syntax for it. You hit equals MMULT and then you select matrix 1, comma, select matrix 2. Matrix 1 is the first matrix, matrix 2 is equal to the second matrix. And note here, the number of columns in matrix 1 must equal the number of rows in matrix 2. All right, so let's get rid of that. Let's get it out of the way so we can see what's going on. So let's go ahead and put the dimensions of the matrix right here beneath it. So you can see here we have a 3 by 3 matrix, 3 rows, 3 columns. Here we have a 3 by 2 matrix. And here we have a 2 by 3 matrix. All right, so there's matrix A, B, and C. I just got them labeled up above them. All right, so let's multiply matrix A and matrix B together. So remember, the number of columns has to equal the number of rows. So basically, if you write the dimensions of the matrix, you see the inside numbers, the 3 here, well, the 3 right here, and then the 3 right here, those have to be the same. And then the dimensions of the product matrix are going to be the outside numbers. So we should get a 3 by 2 as our answer. So let's try it out. This is a matrix A times matrix B. Let's put that A times B. I'm using the star for the multiplication. Well, I'll tell you, let's do this. A, B. We're going to multiply matrices A and B. So we get MMULT, parenthesis. So I'm going to select the first matrix, and then I'm going to put a comma, select the second matrix, close my parenthesis, and hit enter. And there's the, that's what you get when you multiply, and you can see we've got 3 rows and 2 columns. All right, now let's multiply A and C together. So let's do A times C. So equals MMULT, parenthesis, and so we're going to do A, comma, and then we're going to select C. Now this time I'm not going to close the parentheses. I'm just going to hit enter, and let's see if Google Sheets automatically does it. Hit enter, and it does, so you don't have to close the parenthesis. And you can see that we get an error message. MMULT has incompatible matrix sizes. Number of columns in first matrix, which is 3, must equal number of rows in second column, in second matrix, which is 2. So we cannot multiply those together. And then let's do B times C. So we should be able to multiply these because the 2 inside numbers are 2, and our product matrix should be a 3 by 3. So equals MMULT, parenthesis, I'm going to select B, comma, select C, and hit enter. And there you have it. We get a 3 by 3 as a solution. All right. All right, so I hope that video helped. Check out my other videos. Oh, and one thing I want to mention. If you do A times B, remember, B times A is not the same as A times B. Okay? Because look, if you try to do B times A, watch what we're going to get here. It should give us, if we select B first, comma, and then select A, we're going to get an error. Because if you look, that's a 3 by 2 times a 3 by 3. See, we would be multiplying a 3 by 2 times a 3 by 3, right? Because we swapped them. And see, the 2 inside numbers aren't the same. So the commutative property does not apply to matrices. All right, so I hope this video helped. Check out my other videos. Give me a like, share, subscribe, comment, and I will see y'all in the next one. Later.